day everyone. So my name is Mary Claire Flores and I am your student teacher for today. Okay, our lesson for today is all about the structure of DNA and RNA. Okay, so our learning competency is to describe the structure of DNA and RNA molecule. And then our learning objectives at the end of the 60-minute lesson, the students are expected to achieve the following objectives with at least 85% of level proficiency. And our first objective is to define DNA and RNA. The second, describe the structure of DNA and RNA molecule. And the third one is to differentiate DNA from RNA in terms of their structure, their components, their functions, and locations. Okay, before we proceed to our lesson proper, okay, I will give you muna a background about DNA and RNA. So, si DNA at si RNA are two main classes of what we call nucleic acids. And nucleic acids are biopolymers, which are macromolecules that essential to all known forms of life. So, without nucleic acid, wala po tayo ngayon. Okay? And then the nucleic acid are composed of nucleotides, which are the monomer components of a 5-carbon sugar, and then the phosphate groups and also the nitrogenous bases. Okay? And then, diba, as what I said earlier, there are two main classes of nucleic acid. So, dito na papasok si deoxyribonucleic acid, which is a DNA, and a ribonucleic acid, which is the RNA. Okay, there, our table. Okay, so look at the table now and observe. Okay, so we have DNA and RNA. So we have also the basis of comparison, which are the structure, the components, the functions, and the location. So when we say DNA, structure po ng DNA natin is double-stranded helix. Ganyan, double-stranded, parang may ladder. Okay, and then we have also a single-stranded. Okay, pag sinabi natin RNA. And then the components, so when we say components naman, so si DNA, yung sugar niya is deoxyribose from the word deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribose. So yan yung sugar ng DNA. So i-remember nyo lang pag may deoxyribose, yan yung sugar na present ni DNA. And pag sinabi nating RNA, yung sugar niya is ribose. Ribose lang from the word ribonucleic. So, yung sugar niya is ribose. And also, si DNA at saka si RNA, pareha silang may phosphate groups. And then, also, same sila na may nucleotide bases. Pero, kaya nag-differ lang po sila sa thymine at saka sa uracil. So, yung nucleotide bases po ng DNA are adenine, thymine, cytosine, at saka guanine. Okay, remember ha? Adenine, thymine, cytosine, at saka guanine. Okay, and then the nucleotide bases naman sa RNA are adenine, uracil, cytosine, and guanine. So, saan sila nag-differ? Okay, diba? Sa isa lang, sa thymine at saka sa uracil. Si DNA may thymine at saka si RNA naman is may uracil. So, ma'am, bakit po yung DNA is, si thymine lang po meron? Pagdating sa RNA, bakit pinalitan po si thymine kay uracil? Later on, I will discuss to you bakit po si thymine is nandyan sa DNA at saka si uracil nandyan sa RNA, okay? And then we have here the function, okay? So when we say function of DNA, it stores the genetic materials, all the gene information about ourselves is nandun kay DNA. And also, si RNA, ano yung function niya? Function niya is for protein synthesis. It is for transcribing and translating the genetic code. So, pag may sinabi si DNA na i-encode na genetic information, so, to the rescue si RNA. Siya yung magta-transcribe at siya yung magta-translate sa information na galing kay DNA. Okay. So, lastly, we have the location. Okay, so si DNA, remember, di ba sa cell, okay, sa cell, meron tayong tinatawag na nucleus. Okay, so inside the nucleus, nandun po si DNA. Okay, unlike sa RNA, though merong parts sa RNA, merong parts or types ng RNA na pumupunta sa nucleus, doon sinesynthesize yung information, doon, pero yung pag-transcript, at saka pag-translate ng information is nandun talaga sa cytoplasm. So, saan sa cytoplasm specifically? Okay, sa ribosome. Sa ribosome po, yun ang galing, or yun po yung location ni RNA. DNA is a molecule that contains the instruction an organism needs to develop, live, and reproduce. And so without the DNA, no, an organism failed to develop. Hindi siya maka-develop, hindi siya ma-develop, hindi siya mabuhay, at hindi siya mag-reproduce ng another organism or another human being. Okay, and then the DNA is found mainly in the nucleus of the cell. So why? Okay. So si nucleus is protected by the oxygen si DNA is protected by the oxygen sa nucleus of the cell. So meron tayong cell, and then meron tayong nucleus inside, and then the inside nucleus nandun si DNA. And DNA is very precious. Okay. Nitrogenous bases sa genetic code or sa genetic code pairing, we have si adenine is pair talaga kay thymine. Okay, pag sa DNA. So, pag sinabi natin DNA replication. So, si adenine pair with thymine. Si cytosine pair with guanine. So, sila dapat yung magka-partner. Hindi pwede na si adenine is for guanine and then thymine is for cytosine. Bakit po, ma'am? Okay, question, bakit po, ma'am, kailangan si adenine at saka si thymine is magka-pair? It's because sa isang nitrogenous bases, sa isang pair, dapat meron tayong tinatawag na purines at saka pyrimidines. Okay, pyrimidines. Dapat, so, si adenine, siya yung purines, si thymine, siya yung pyrimidines. Okay? And also, another fact that bakit sila magka-pair, it's because of their number of rings. Okay? And their shape. Dapat magka-pair talaga sila. Dapat, pag sinabi tingnan yan, so dapat buo talaga. Okay? And then, we have the cytosine and guanine. So, dito sa cytosine at sa guanine, sino si pyrimidines? Okay, very good. Si thymine. Okay, here we have our ribonucleic acid or the RNA. Okay, so RNA, just like DNA, it is made up also of nucleotides. Ano nga yung mga nucleotides? Okay, yung mga phosphate groups, sugar, at saka yung nitrogenous bases. So, di ba sa DNA, yung sugar niya is deoxyribose. Pero dito sa RNA, yung sugar niya is only ribose. Wala nang dio. Okay? So, inalis yung dio. So, ribose na lang yung natira. Okay? So, remember lang yan, ha? Keyword lang yan. Ribose is for ribonucleic. Deoxyribose is for deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay? And here, ang nitrogenous bases. We have adenine to pair with uracil. Guanine pair with cytosine. Okay. So, ngayon, di ba sabi ko kanina, bakit may uracil na dito at sa DNA is thymine? It's because si DNA nandun sa nucleus. So, si thymine also protected by the oxygen. And then, pag mawala dun si thymine sa nucleus, so kung lalabas siya sa nucleus, so walang oxygen. So, hindi siya mag-function doon. So, ano lang yun, so madi-destroy lang si thymine. It's because hindi siya resistant. Okay, hindi siya resistant. Pero si uracil, more resistant siya. Pwede siya mag-travel in or out sa nucleus. Okay, pwede siyang pumunta sa nucleus, pwede din siyang lalabas sa nucleus. Okay, yan yung impact o yan yung factor kung bakit nandun si thymine. Okay, may purpose kung bakit nandun si thymine sa DNA at saka si uracil nandito sa RNA. Okay, so that's all. I hope that you understand our lesson for today. The structure of DNA and RNA in terms of their Okay, in terms of their components, structure, ganyan, and then their location and their function. So, that's all. Thank you for listening.